right, guys, so we are going to go ahead and upload our first image. Um, I really don't know the size. I don't know if I looked that up. Let me see. It says requirements, size charge. I don't know. So I'm going to go over to my Canva and I'm going to find one of my handy dandy um, larger ones. One that's for a T. All right, so I'm going to use this one. All right, I'm going to use this one, and this was the Teespring size, so I'm going to just hit download on that. And I'm hit transparent background. That's my handy dandy 4167 by 5000. All right, so it's downloaded. Go back to TeePublic. So here, you see you can upload bulk files or just upload a single one. Right now, I'm just going to upload a single one. And this is the part that I was looking for, the part that was going to take us to the store. So our store name will be Dear Military Spouse. So that first video could have been longer. But yeah. So I was looking for that part. So we're going to go ahead and upload this one file that we have here. All right, so we have the art and it gives us a little requirement now. Okay, that's what it's telling us, 5,000 by 5,000 to be able to support everything. And now they have a size guide, so we'll open that in another tab. And then it gives you file requirements. Minimum is 1,500 by 1995. I am above that, but it does say this image is not a good size for like wall art or stuff like that. So as we scroll down, we're going to say this title is the Dear Military Spouse logo. You have your main tag, which would probably be Dear Military Spouse. Probably going to have to put that all together, so I'll do that and correct my spelling. Description, Dear Military Spouse. And then you have more tags. The military spouse, military wife. So just a few. And here's the shirt. So it did give you some suggestions of tags that you can use. So this is what we would do. You want to print on the front or the back. Currently it says it's in beta, printing on the back, but you can move this down if you needed to. Toggle on or off if you want the shirt, and then you can set a default color. One thing that I love about them is that their heather color is beautiful. It's gorgeous, and I love that. So also I love their hoodie, their vintage heather hoodie, which is a beautiful color as well. So you can move that down, move that over wherever you need it to be. They have tanks. I don't want a tank. I don't want a crew neck. Well, crew neck is like the beautiful color. Look at that beautiful color. So let's do a royal blue. Long sleeve. See what it looks like. Baseball tee, kids shirts, kids hoodies, kids long sleeves, onesies. They have that as well. And then it goes down to, even more stuff that you can do. All right, so we have the sticker here. I'm going to click on the sticker so I can show you guys the sticker. So it says the die cut with the background, or the die cut only. So the die cut with the background, let me see where it is. You can change the color. So say I want like, that yellow I love with the background. So it would be like, with the yellow background. Then we're going to look at the mug. here. And we're gotta change the size, scale this down, and then move it over. That looks good right there. And you know, we can do the background, but y'all know how I feel about that, about how that looks. So I'm scale this one down as well. And scale it down a little bit more. And we're gonna move it up and over just a little bit. And I think I'm gonna change the size a little bit bigger. And then move it over just a tad. There we go. Maybe another little nudge. All right, so that looks good. And then we have the wall art. We have the journal. So clicked on the journal. Is that up there? So we have a hardcover journal. And then we have a spiral. Okay, you can change the color of both of those. Let's do something bright. We have a bright green journal here. You can do like a purple. And that's a purple one there. Can make that one a little bit smaller so it doesn't look like the name is like going into the spiral part. There we go. So we have the journal, you have pillows, you have pins, you have trapezoids, you have masks. So we're going to click on the pin. And that looks perfect the way it is. They also have magnets. You can check that out. It says rectangle, so see what that looks like, and then see what the circle looks like. And then the die cut, which be super small. And then you have, this is probably new on most print on demand sites where they're creating masks. So you have these two different masks. I would probably do like a purple on that one, like that, and then maybe a red on that one. So those are the two different masks they have. And then what you would do is, you know, agree to the terms, and then you would hit publish. So that was like, I love when the bulk uploaders have these where you can like, just like Redbubble, when you can just create so many different things and, you know, at one time. So this is how things look here. Just showing just some more products from the logo. And then you can click on, you know, just different things, click on the mask, and you basically set up your store in less than 10 minutes. So you can go here, it says designed and sold by a dear military spouse. Here, where you can manage your store, you can upload your designs, manage the album, you can share the store, you can upload your icon. So let's see, I don't know if I have one downloaded. The logo size, because normally I just take them out. So I probably don't have one other than a t-shirt, and that's too big. So you upload that, but remember that like to truly finish setting up your store, you have to actually upload the design first, and then you can finish, and then you can upload background covers to the, you know, to your store, sort your design, make album, you keep creating, but everything kind of pretty much is there. So this platform is pretty easy, and it's basically your own storefront. So when it says share my store, you can share the store link here. So user military spouse, share it to somebody so they can see it. And you just created a brand new storefront on TeePublic. And for me, everything that you see I've done is all consistent. That is how you spread yourself all over the internet consistently as one brand. So if I'm going to do 5 designs, those 5 designs need to be on all of my print on demand sites, on all of the different products, because some people might come to TeePublic for their sweatshirts and t-shirts because they like that Heather Gray. Some people may go to Redbubble just for the stickers because they like the quality of Redbubble stickers over somebody else. So It just depends. But if you want to build a cohesive brand as a print on demand site and you want to be able to generate income from all of these sites, be cohesive in the look and in the products and the designs that you actually offer. So I'm super excited that this series is over, and I can't wait for June to announce a new series that I'm super excited about. It's probably going to be another long one, so it'll be a journey that you'll be on with me as well. But I truly enjoy making these videos. Thank you guys for all of the new subscribers, all of the people who have been watching. Follow me on Instagram, finding me on Facebook, joining my Facebook support group. Also, for the people who have been booking calls and purchasing your courses off of Gumroad, I truly, truly appreciate you. If you want to support me through Cash App, my Cash App is capital CINQUANTA, or you can leave me a tip on my PayPal at designsbysmiley@gmail.com. Again, thank you guys so much for sticking with me with this series. I'm excited to continue to upload and continue to grow my YouTube channel. Remember, if you're just here watching, there's nothing wrong with clicking subscribe. It is super duper free. And if you're already here watching, you're probably already a member of YouTube. So just click subscribe, turn on your notifications. If you're continuing to come here and watch, you know I have the goods, you know I'm giving you some good stuff. So just hit subscribe, make sure you like the video, and tell some friends about me.